And your chemicals are incredibly important too. You got to have the
Yes.
whole package. You can't just have the good machine and the bad in the subpar chemicals.
Yeah.
You know, I have gotten tens and tens of chemical guys that have wanted this business and the few other business that I have.
Surprise.
Right, and it's acidic-based chemicals, and I can do it for half the price, and you bring your wash down to this. But if I don't care if it's half the price, because the margins are the margins, right? At the end of the day, you're kind of pulling hairs.
Yep.
But if the cars come out the way that they look at are different. If I lined up 4 cars here with the tunnel, mine is going to come out best with a better shine. No question about it. We call it the showroom shine.
Yep.
Or here the ultimate clean.
Yeah.
Because it does look different.
Yeah.
It just does.
Yeah.
And you can't really see that until you go through and test it with the naked eye.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's true. And what chemicals are you using here?
Synergy. Synergy
Okay.
polymer-based chemicals the key.
Okay.
Yeah. I've been educated on that as well.
All right.
Thanks to Don.
So what have you noticed with the shine, cars coming in before and after? So customers noticing the shine as well?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, we were trying to think of a name for it because customers would say, the way my vehicle comes out of your wash just looks different than when I take it to a tunnel. I'm not saying it's better or whatever, it just looks different, and it had a shine on it. So we were trying to come up with a phrase that would encapsulate what these customers were saying. We came up with showroom shine.
Yep.
So when you go into a showroom, it looks different than when it looks like on the street. That's what our vehicles look like when you leave here. It really does. And we live on Dealership Row here on Owen Road.
Yeah.
So I go to the dealerships, the Ford and the Chevy, and I talk. They all wash here.
Okay.
And so I talk to them about why they come here. It's just because my vehicle, when it leaves your wash, looks like the cars in our showroom. And so then I got showroom shine.
Yeah.
So that's what we're gonna call it. And then the whole experience we call ultimate clean. Because you're getting right.
People are telling me that unprompted.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So you can go to our Google Maps reviews. It's all right there. Or you go to our comments on Instagram and Facebook. It's just sitting right there.
And that's all chemical and tinkering.
Yeah.
I tell people it's kind of like a soundboard. If any of you've seen a soundboard at a concert, church, or online, it has 1,000 knobs or 500 knobs or 100, depending how big your soundboard is.
Yep.
And it just takes a while to get that all tuned. How long did it take you guys to get it tuned?
I would say a couple days, and then we went live, and then we tinkered with it for about a week after.
Okay.
And then so the water in our area is really, really hard.
Okay.
So we have we really invested in really good salt and brand new water softener. So the spot free risk is fine. We got our parts per million down to less than essentially 0.
Okay.
So that's huge. So we're able to do that.